This 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 247 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Coachmen RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, TV, microwave, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, oven, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 247 RKS is 6,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Coachmen RV.